Namaste, welcome to my channel. Let's begin the evaluation of today's all four calls. First call was Tata Steel and I asked you to buy at 1460. So let me go to Tata Steel. It seems that the price did not break out of the level 1451. No, which means did not hit entry level. Second call was buying in SBI at the level of 435. Again, it seems that the price did not came out of this zone. So I am going to copy the same result for SBI as well. Third stock was JSW Steel. Buying level was 695. Let me see again. Once again, nothing happened. So all the three stocks, first three stocks did not give us anything. So now we will look at the last one, which is Tata Motors. I have made a spelling mistake over here. I asked you to buy at 298. Let me see how far price went. 298 SL hit. That is terrible. Also, I want to say sorry to all of you. The reason being is I missed an easy trade in Wipro. There was a colossal buying came through after the level of 658. I don't know how I missed this. So from today onwards, I am going to do 3 or 4 times analysis. Even though I have uploaded a video on my channel, I am going to do 3 or 4 times. I'm going to look at all the stocks and make sure that if I find anything very interesting stock, then I'm going to include that in this particular sheet. So you will see another one record over here. Otherwise, we will go with the 4 stocks. Talking about tomorrow's session, first stock which I am going to analyze right now is UPL. On the daily chart, this is a channel pattern. This is resistance, and now I am going to draw a support level. So this is pretty clear how price is moving upwards. It is making a well-known bullish pattern called higher highs and higher lows. One more thing, I am going to draw a horizontal breakout level. See how the horizontal breakout level is encompassing the previous support level right here, or I will also call this is our resistance level, but this is a support level for this rally. See how price came below this. So we are able to combine support and resistance of the price at the same level, which is the level of 760, which means that a lot of intersection is happening at this level, and this is a level where we can see a buying ensuing in colossal quantity. Why I am saying that? I will go to weekly chart. See how the high of these two weekly candles is aligned at the same level, which means that there is a fair bit of selling pressure coming at the said level, but at the same time this particular higher high, higher low pattern is giving away a lot of confidence to buyers who can ride on it and start buying it. If buying does materialize, then we are going to see a decent momentum. I expect at least 20 rupees momentum if everything goes well. My second pick for tomorrow's session is Havells India. On the hourly chart, we can find a perfect breakout level at 1400. Pay attention to previous breakout level of 1290. After Havells India managed to break out from this particular level, there was no looking back. Price was slowly but surely going up and over almost every single day. In the process, we can see small bearish candle, which means that some people did opt for profit booking. So after reaching the level of or high of 1440, we can see this particular level has become a big obstruction for price to go over. Price did show a bit of willingness to go down, but again it was pushed to the high level. Again the same thing happened. If price was to go down after the formation of this particular bearish candle, which also has wick on the top end, we would have seen a small candles, bearish candle, slowly regaining and giving confidence to sellers. But it did not happen, which means that slowly the sellers are being put to the task in the stock, and that is what we want. The more sellers get out of the stock, the more buyer can come in. And this is what is likely to happen in tomorrow's session. I expect at least 35 to 40 rupees session. This could be a very good trade to take in tomorrow's session. I would highly advise each and everyone to look at it from your own perspective, and if you do feel the way I am feeling right now, then just go for it. Third stock for tomorrow's session is Cummins India. On the daily chart, see how perfectly stock is aligned for a breakout. So this is a bullish candle. It seemed to me that after breaking this minor resistance, the stock was on its way up. But on the very next day, we can see a bearish candle. Price was starting to go down but did not came closer to the previous resistance level. Now it has become a support level. In today's session, buyers managed to regain control of the price, and the closing of all these three candles is almost at the same level, which is once again giving us traders a very good opportunity to earn handsome profit. So we are going to buy above 1051. I'm going to show you a bit of analysis on hourly chart to see the pattern here. Price went up and over, then came down. Previous low was 1000. The low then elevated to 1022, and this rally here. This is the most important thing. The price is making higher highs, higher lows. There are long range bullish candles, and there is corresponding volume activity which has shown increased activity as well. So all these things are pointing towards one particular result or one particular direction of the stock in tomorrow's session, that is, it is going to go up, and this is what we are going to do. So you have to decide between Cummins and Havells. So just wait for first 1 or 2 minutes. The stock will guide you, and it will help you to take trade in both the stocks, or you can choose either of these two stocks. Last but certainly not least stock for tomorrow's session is Bharti Airtel. On hourly chart, we can easily draw a breakout line at the level of 650. If you look at the price action, this is the high the price has made, and after that there was this decent down rally, and we did see a bit of rebound, but that rebound did not even came closer to previous high, and once again price started to go down, which means that the sellers have been dominating since last two trading sessions. And the most important thing is the price is going down very slow. If we could have seen a long range bearish candle like this, then it could have been a obstruction for price in breaking the support level. Why I'm saying that? Because if you see a long range bearish candle beginning from say 665 up to the breakout level, then people who sold at the beginning of the candle are bound to take profit at the support level, and after that we will see a decent range bullish candle, and the formation and presence of this decent range bullish candle can encourage buyers, and we can see a decent enough bullish momentum. So that is why I feel that the slow and steady downward movement of the price is going to attract a lot of sellers, and we are going to sell below 650, and the target should be around 635. So this is the analysis in Airtel. Now these are the levels in front of your screen. I am going to share all the screenshot of this particular these four stocks in my Telegram channel. Make sure you always follow proper trading risk management practices. What I mean by that, you have to and you ought to place or keep 1 or 2% of your total trading capital as a stop loss. Do not go overboard. Do not chase profit. If you become the chaser, then I'm afraid you are going to fall down and there won't be any coming back. So we don't want, and I don't want that to happen to anyone. So be slow and steady. Try to learn as many things as possible. Get better, fine tune your analysis, and then you can take calculated risk. But before that, go slow and only go slow. That's the only option you have. So that's it in this video. We are going to meet in the next video. Take care.